Hello and welcome everyone to the Pitchfolio platform. Keeping track of your asset and making great decisions can be extremely challenging in the ever-changing landscape of cryptocurrency. So, by solving this problem, here I'm gonna introduce all of you guys with Pitchfolio platform. They believe it doesn't need to be so hard. That is why they created a Pitchfolio ecosystem. Hold the PCHF token to get instant access to tools that are optimized for your decentralized finance portfolio. Keep track of your wallet in real time, trade and store tokens with ease, get in-depth market insight and breaking news, and learn the skill you need to trade like a pro. Here, the Pitchfolio also provide a Pitchfolio app. Get the only app that can track every Binance Smart Chain, that is BSC token and Ethereum chain token in your portfolio. Hold the PCHF token to add as many wallets as you want and have all the insight you need to make the best decisions. Here, Pitchfolio is an easy-to-use wallet tracker app optimized for your DeFi portfolio. You can keep track of all your wallet and get in-depth insight for all of your tokens, even brand new ones. We discover long forgotten tokens that have increased in value or find brand new gems to invest in with the Pitchfolio app daily gainers list. They also provide some unique features like portfolio tracking. Track your DeFi portfolio with all the features currently available on the mobile app and more. See wallet level analysis including profit and loss of your holding over time, and key trading statistics, total reflection earned, and comparison against stock and crypto market trackers. All these will give you a Pitchfolio trader score out of 10. They also provide advanced technical analysis tools. See multiple charts, market caps, details, transaction history, analysis on holders and volumes, and whale-watching functionality at a glance. They provide advanced alerts, pro customization that go beyond simple configuration of price or change, and also provide capital gain tax calculation. They also have newsfeed, integrated medium articles, RSS feeds, and other daily market news to help you keep up to date with DeFi and see breaking news that may impact your holdings. Finally, they provide pre-sale market analysis, a completely novel faculty that integrates partial analysis with an app that they are bringing to the market for the first time. Get list of upcoming parcels with built-in reminders to make sure that you don't miss any exciting opportunities. Here in this platform, learn the skills you'll need to trade like a pro. That is why Pitchfolio and PitchHub help you track your asset and inform you of the most promising trading opportunities. But to take advantage of these opportunities like a pro, you need expert trading techniques to learn how to trade like a pro. And that is why they provide Pitch Learning. And they also provide Pitch Analytics, give you cutting-edge DeFi market analysis. As part of PitchHub, you can access the Pitch Analytic tool. Pitch Analytic is a sophisticated access analytic package that eliminates the tedious research that you currently need to do to make informed trades. Pitch Analytic utilizes cutting-edge technology to aggregate and run analysis across the multitude of sources to provide a centralized resource that informs all of your trading decisions. So hurry up and join with this great platform. Thank you.